how to transfer money from savings to checking US bank. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from savings to checking US bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to transfer money from savings to checking US bank, you have to follow these steps. If you are using online banking, then select transfer and pay from the top of the page, then internal transfers. After that, choose which account to transfer funds from and which account to send them to. Then enter the amount to transfer, change the frequency and change the date, then select next. Review the information. If correct, select send transfer. Or if you are using the mobile app, then select transfer and pay from the bottom of the dashboard, then make an internal transfer. After that, choose which account to transfer funds from and which account to send them to. Then enter the amount to transfer, change the frequency, and change the date. Then select transfer to complete it. So that's how you can transfer money from savings to checking US bank. That's all for this video.